Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Today we will cover the video steganography part, as we have already covered audio steganography by Deep Sound tool. Now we will cover video steganography by a tool that is very versatile, as it can do steganography of many extensions like audio, video and image. So just go to your browser and here search for OpenPuff. Click on the first link. First link will take you to this website. Click on download binary for window and click on zip. As I have already downloaded the tool, so you just have to unextract it, and I have already downloaded the tool, so I will open it. So here is the tool. It has a very simple UI, but it is a great tool. So I will click on hide. Here I will disable the option B and C. These options are to make the security more complex, as we have to add 3 passwords. So just click on this. Now I will select the video. Here on the data part, select the hidden message. My hidden message is here. On the carrier part, carrier is the file that will carry the hidden data inside it. So now I will just type the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and I will hide the data. So wait a second guys, I just have to select the stream or option also. So hide data, I will hide it in the D. As you can see, we have successfully completed hiding our file. So we will just click done and see if the file is created or not. As you can see, we have a file in the D file system. Now we will unhide the data that we hidden. So just I will disable, as we have disabled it in the previous step. I will type the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I will add the carrier. So my carrier will be the video that has the hidden data inside it. So here it is. Here it's the video. Now I will open it, and here I will choose the bitstream that I selected. I will unhide it, and here it will ask for where I have to unhide it. As you can see, here is nothing. So I will simply unhide it in the D. So here you can see we have successfully unhidden the file. Here are many more options, so you can play around with them. It is a very good tool. So we will see if the text is secured on. See, this is the file that we will hidden. So as you can see, we have successfully hidden the data and hide the data inside a video. So this is it for this video steganography. I will meet you in the next video.